Let's divide 102 by 2. Hey math adventurers, if you're having fun learning with me, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Ready to divide 102 by 2? Let's go. We look at the first digit of 102, which is 1. We can't divide 1 by 2, so we'll use 0 for now. How many times does 2 fit into 1? It fits 0 times. 0 times 2 is 0. We write 0 above the 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. We have a remainder of 1. Great start. Don't worry about that remainder. We'll use it in the next step. Now let's bring down the next digit, which is 0, to make 10. Look at that, we have 10. Time for step 2. We bring down the 0 next to the remainder 1, creating the number 10. How many times does 2 go into 10? You got it, 5 times. Let's check. 5 times 2 is 10. Write 5 in our answer above the 0. 10 minus 10 equals 0, so no remainder this time. Awesome job, you're doing fantastic. We're almost done. Let's bring down the last digit 2. Last step, we have the number 2. We bring down the final digit 2. Now we have 2 to divide. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Super easy, 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Write 1 in our answer. 2 minus 2 is 0. We have no remainder left. You did it, we finished dividing. And that's how you divide 102 by 2. Our answer is 51. So 102 divided by 2 equals 51. We just learned how to do long division with a 3-digit number. Remember, break it down step by step, and you can solve any problem. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing, and you'll be long division pros in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.